In this baritone ukulele video, we're going to try something a little bit different, but you're going to learn the D minor pentatonic scale. All right, so I'm just going to show you the scale. Not all the cool stuff, but you'll get there, don't worry. But anyway, this lesson or the tutorial part of it is actually taken right from my beginning baritone bootcamp course available at ukelikethepros.com. So if you like the lesson you're about to see, definitely check that out. And stay around to the end because I'm going to give you a coupon of how you can get that course. And if you haven't done so already, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification. That way you stay up to date on all the lessons and tutorials I post right here. But for now, let's go learn the D minor pentatonic scale. In this video, we're going to learn the open position D minor pentatonic scale. This is a really great scale to know. Very useful for blues and rock and soloing, melodies, all that kind of stuff. And actually, it's not that bad. So let me play it. Let me do it one more time for you. All right, so I just threw a little bend at the end, but we're not going to worry about that. For this one, I'm just going to use my thumb for the entire lesson here. And pentatonic, penta 5. So this is just a 5-note scale. Minor, meaning dark or sad sounding. Okay, so this is your minor pentatonic scale. And this is like if you listen to blues, rock, like especially like classic rock, you know, Led Zeppelin and Eric Clapton and all those guys, minor pentatonic all over the place. So if you're into that, you're probably very used to this sound already. Open position just meaning our root, in this case, the D, the 4th string open, is open, no fingers on it. All right, so this is fairly simple, but again, you want to get it down and get it memorized. So we start with the open 4th string, that's your D note. Then I'm going to use my 3rd finger on a 3rd fret, that's your F note. Then open 3rd string, that's G. 2nd finger on a 2nd fret, there's your A note. Now I'm going to go right to my 2nd string 1st fret, notice I'm using my 1st finger. There's your C note. D on the 3rd fret, move it down a string, again to 1, that's F, up to the 3rd fret is G. And that's your ascending pattern. Okay, let's do it nice and slow. 3 and. And now you want to practice it as well, descending or going backwards. So remember, we stop right here on the 1st string, 3rd fret, that's your G, and it goes back to F, 1st fret, up a string to the 3rd fret, to D, 1st fret to C, up a string to the 2nd fret, A, open, 3rd string, G, 4th string on the 3rd fret, that's your F, and then D. Now before we play that, just know that the notes in this particular scale, right, it doesn't have all the notes. It only has 5 of the notes. It has D, F, G, A, and C. Those are the 5 notes. Okay, so different than a major scale, which has 7 notes, the pentatonic having just 5. All right, so let's go ahead now. Let's just bring in a slow backing track. We're going to do it down and up. When we get to this 1st string 3rd fret, we're just going to play that note once and then come right back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So did you notice that we played those as quarter notes, just giving 1 beat per note? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this scale is not that difficult to get down, but get it memorized. That is really the key. And you're going to hear me say that a lot with scales and chords and strum patterns. Get them down and get them memorized. So let's go ahead and bump it up now. We're going to do the exact same thing, except we're going to use the fast backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so what did you think of that lesson? Pretty cool, right? That's just one of many lessons that's in the Beginning Baritone Bootcamp course over at ukelikethepros.com. So if you're interested in it, I'm going to give you a coupon code. That coupon code is Baritone Blues. Baritone Blues is a coupon for that particular course. Now, if you prefer, that course is actually in the premium membership as well. So with the premium membership, not only get access to my entire site at ukelikethepros.com, but also the weekly Q&As that we do on the baritone as well. So anyway, check that out. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching the lesson. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for leaving a comment. And I look forward to seeing you over at that Baritone Bootcamp course.